What's up, guys? As you can see, Owen has his valve cover off, his engine here. He's actually painting a different color. So before it was a wrinkle black, and we ended up going with a metallic red. So it's over here drying right now. It's looking pretty fresh. So once this dries, we're gonna slap that back on his car and then it will be ready to go. So the other day we had a car meet we went to. I didn't get any videos of that, unfortunately, but my car actually won the car show. So that was pretty cool. Wasn't expecting that. So we cleaned them up really good. We detailed both my car and Owen's car before the car show. Cleanest they've ever been in, you know, years. So pretty sweet. It was fun. They're gonna start doing more car shows down here, local car shows. So it's the guy that does them. Grease and Grub. He's got a Facebook, and he's a pretty cool guy. So that's the update on the Civics. Owen ran to the Walmart real fast. That thing has about an hour left before we can throw it into the car. We'll get it on the car, and we also just did valve lash on it. So we did the intake to 7 thousandths and we did the exhaust to 9 thousandths. So pretty sweet. This thing's gonna run cherry. This thing needs a new engine. So this used to be my daily. I was driving at home one day, downshifted in a third gear, and it threw a rod. You can see it chipped it right there. Just decided to throw a rod. This thing wasn't even boosted or anything, so kind of unfortunate. But this is the daily, so I'm actually gonna do, it had a D15B7 in it before. I'm going with a JDM D15B. There's the head right here. So it'll have VTEC and all that good stuff. The block and everything is in the machine shop, getting some work done to it. I'm gonna go with the full aluminum radiator and upgrade a couple things. I got a chipped P28 ECU for it, and yeah, a couple other things I'm gonna replace, like this ball joint, a couple other things suspension wise. Gonna clean up the engine bay, but this thing still has heat and AC and power steering stuff, so it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna give it a little bump in horsepower, but still be a good reliable daily. So I'm excited to get this thing done as well. So there's the updates on the Hondas. When Owen gets back, we'll throw that valve cover on, maybe take it for a little rip. All right, Owen just got back. Right there.
Oh, dang. That looks good.
I pulled the stuff off for you.
That looks good.
It's pretty, I mean, it's pretty dry. So,
Oh, my cardboard stops out.
professional. Look at that shit. Fitting it.
Should we set it on there?
Yeah. See what it looks like.
Covered that up good and nicely.
I think it's a little darker than this stuff, but I think it'll still look good. Damn.
I actually really like that.
That's sick.
I like the darker
Dang,
and lighter.
that
Dude,
looks good.
that looks so much better than the black.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Dang. I honestly really like the
Dude.
light dark texture it's
That's
got to
sick.
it.
Yeah.
It looks good with how it's gray in here, gold in here.
Yeah.
Clean.
Yeah, dude. Just gotta get that stuff. You're gonna look good with this on there too. Oh yeah.
Sick.
That looks good.
That looks really good.
Candy. Ripping it.
Sick. Alright, we're gonna throw the valve cover on.
Trying to get that gasket on there.
Get the gasket on.
Still trying not to touch it. Really. I mean, it's pretty.
Pretty dry, but just be careful still. And then right here, you take a little bit of this RTV black and just a little bit in the corners right there. That's OEM Honda spec. This one's kind of hard to get to. Like that.
There's black on it.
I know, that's underneath.
Very nice.
Shorty boys in the front. Long boys in the back. There it is.
Back together, got the bumper back on, valve cover's back on. Valve lash is done. Looks sick. Alright, here's the first startup with the wire tuck done, valve lash. Got my child holding the camera. Still runs.
Put the air filter in.
Okay, yeah. We just adjusted the blow-off valve, got the valve cover on. We're gonna go for a little rip. Still got the flutter. I heard a little bit of flutter there. bit. Oh, we're doing it uphill now. It felt good though. Like it has enough boost to like not blow the tire completely off of it, but just like launch good because it didn't bog.